Bisi Bele Bath is a delicious dish. It is from Karnataka, India. People love this dish. It is full of flavor and spices. Bisi Bele Bath is made with rice and lentils. It has many vegetables. Spices make it very flavorful. This dish is very popular in Karnataka. Bisi Bele Bath has a rich history. It is said to have originated in the Mysore palace. It was a favorite of the kings. Today, Bisi Bele Bath is made in every home in Karnataka. It is served at festivals and special occasions. This dish shows the importance of lentils and rice in South Indian food. To make Bisi Bele Bath, you need a few key ingredients. Rice and lentils are the base of the dish. Vegetables add flavor and nutrition. Rice, lentils, toor dal, mixed vegetables, carrots, beans, peas, tamarind pulp, jaggery spices, cumin, coriander, turmeric, coconut, and ghee. These simple ingredients come together to create a wonderful dish. Each ingredient adds its unique taste to Bisi Bele Bath. Making Bisi Bele Bath is easy. First, you need to cook the rice and lentils together. Then you add the vegetables and spices. 1. Cook rice and lentils together until soft. 2. In another pot, sauté onions, tomatoes, and spices. 3. Add vegetables and cook until tender. 4. Mix the cooked rice and lentils with the vegetable mixture. 5. Add tamarind pulp, jaggery, and salt. Let the dish simmer for a while. This allows the flavors to blend well. Garnish with coriander leaves before serving.